Hello kids! Welcome back to Zoratale. Today we're going to learn numbers 11 to 15. Are you ready? Let's go! This is number 11. Say it with me, 11. 11 stars. 11 hearts. 11 leaves. Let's repeat it again. 11 stars. 11 hearts. 11 leaves. This is number 12. Say it with me, 12. 12 candles. 12 balls. 12 circles. Let's repeat it again. 12 candles. 12 balls. 12 circles. This is number 13. Say it with me, 13. 13 flowers. 13 birds. 13 cars. Let's repeat it again. 13 flowers. 13 birds. 13 cars. This is number 14. Say it with me, 14. 14 apples. 14 stickers. 14 stars. Let's repeat it again. 14 apples. 14 stickers. 14 stars. This is number 15. Say it with me, 15. 15 balloons. 15 cookies. 15 fish. Let's repeat it again. 15 balloons. 15 cookies. 15 fish. Number test time. Ready for a fun test? Little learners, let's see what you remember. What number is this? Yes, it's 13. What number is this? Yes, it's 11. What number is this? Great, it's 15. What number is this? Great, it's 12. What number is this? Yes, it's 14. How many balloons are these? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Correct, 15 balloons. How many hearts are these? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 hearts. Great job, kids. You did amazing. Little learners, let's clap for ourselves. See you soon with the next fun learning video on Zoratale. Bye-bye.